All right, the next one we're going to be taking a look at is stock ticker symbol ELTP, Elite Pharmaceuticals. From the look here, doesn't look like we've went over this one, at least in the recent past. Usually I mark them up and I can tell off of that. So let's go over what's going on right now. ELTP, we've seen a big run up over here starting on December 22nd. And then you had a pullback, which is perfectly normal. The volume drops off, people sell, they get out, they made their money, got down here to the 20-day simple moving average and bounced right off of that and ran up. Okay, you hit a high over here at 17.26, 17 cents. And then the next day you opened at 17.75. So this day you closed at 17.26, and then you opened at 17.75. So a little bit of a gap up there. Instead of flipping up and keep running, it pulled back. It went down here and tapped on the, looks like the 10-day simple moving average. If you're interested in ELTP, keep this one on radar. This might be a time to debate on getting into this one. It's pulled back nice and healthy off of that run. It's up to you. I mean, you can gamble it and see how it holds the 10-day. If it keeps dropping down, the volume's picking up, which leads me to believe either there's a seller or more interest in just switching hands of shares here. That's going to be something that you can look at on the level 2. And once you come down there on the 10-day, keep an eye on it, guys. I really think that you might have an opportunity here with ELTP. Joe, was there any recent news on this that causes spikes over here on the 22nd?
Yeah, on the 22nd, there was an update. It was the Elite provides update on Sequest OX, new drug application. So on December 22nd, they announced the company met with the U.S. Food and Drug Administration on December 21st for an end of review meeting to discuss steps that Elite can take to obtain approval of Sequest QOX. So they basically went through all that on that day. So Sequest OX, is Elite's investigational abuse deterrent opiate candidate for the management of moderate to severe acute pain, where the use of an opiate analgesic is appropriate. The proposed plan submitted by the company addresses items cited in the CRL dated July. So it's basically their meeting was for something that was cited on July 14th. So I mean, this is the type of thing you'd want to go back and research everything, and
right.
Because what they're interested, I'm trying to think, is this the one that they're producing something that makes it difficult for somebody to like abuse the actual opiates?
I don't know.
Yeah, because investigational abuse deterrent opiate candidate. Yeah, say a deterrent. So I mean, obviously, if you're paying attention to anything, or you see the different things that are happening within the world, there's obviously an opiate problem going on in this right here. Yeah, obviously, depending on where it goes, it's something you want to probably look into.
All right.
Because I mean, they're QB as well, so that's always a good thing.
Right. All right. ELTP, like I said, keep this one on radar for a good spot to get in. So if you have anything else to add on this one, head over to investorshangout.com and join in on the live streams and let us know.